Again. It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery with a 10 by 10 inch canvas that I coated with some Artist Loft white paint, and I have some 15 Neocolor 2 water-soluble crayons. They're Swiss made. They're not inexpensive. I think there was a 40% off coupon one day at Hobby Lobby and I bought them. So this is what they look like, and I've prepped the canvas so that I can use the crayons. And like I said, I hope I said they're water soluble. And I'm just going to make doodles. In a few different colors and then see what happens. I can't tell you the colors as I go because my glasses aren't that great. But I guess I could say that's a blue. This looks like a light blue. And after I do this, I might stripe this canvas with my acrylic paints, but I don't know yet. This is another blue, a darker blue. I'm basically just mark making. Now I've got a water pen I haven't used before, and I actually have the packaging for that someplace close by. They are Ohuhu, I guess. And I've put some distilled water in. Looks like microfiber bristles. And that seems to work pretty nicely. I don't know if I have to squeeze my brush out in between to clean the colors out or what. Put the end piece on the end. Well, it doesn't actually fit on there. Too bad. Squeeze a little more water down. So basically I thought I would use these to draw a basic outline and then use them as a basic guide to fill in. I suspect I could use quite a bit of water to do this. And I don't know whether to advise that you rinse out your brush in between, but I like colors that blend anyway. And after I get the first set blended, then I can go in and see what I like to fix what I started with. It's sort of the I don't know what I'm doing, start anywhere type theory again. I'm seeming like I get a buildup of thick water from the... I've got all kinds of stuff hanging around here. I could try my black ink dispenser, or I'm calling it an ink dispenser, but I'm not sure what it is exactly. Maybe before that I'll put some more colors down. That's obviously yellow. which will be green with the blue if I'm not careful. Of course, I'm gonna run out of my magenta crayon first because it's obviously my favorite. I didn't think to stripe things, but I could. That's a purple crayon. George isn't here. Ah, there's that slurry that I was talking about. I don't want to destroy all of my negative space, and I definitely want to play with some black. There's a green. Green is a good contrast. I have to remember I can't really make much of an impact on the already wet areas. And I could probably just paint over all of this. I'm certain of that, actually. So let's do some more. If I use my black ink dispenser, which I don't know how is going to work, it will run in the colors, I'm pretty sure. But I haven't done this before, ever, and it's fun to play with new toys. I'm sure I must have some gold ink around here somewhere too. I'm trying to clean off my brush on colors that will be complementary to them as opposed to going from one that is to one that isn't. Trying to squeeze out my... I think a nice piece of paper towel would probably be helpful. I'll settle for this one. I'm not sure nice applies. I don't mind putting purple next to green. That's the color crayon, the light orange that I love the most. It's like my sour lemon that I added orange crush to. I'm a little nervous about how hard I'm pressing on the canvas, but I'm also liking my results, so it's hard to stop. So a little something completely different. Never hurt anybody. I'm sure some of this yellow will be smirched. What's a good word? Spoiled? Maybe not. I gotta be careful to keep it out of the blue. And I could be really sorry if I do the black, because I could totally ruin it. But I kind of want to anyway. Oh, that's cool. Some of the original stuff I put down is dry now. I need a black crayon. I have one. There we go. Let's just use the black crayon and see what happens to that. Looks like a man-eating flower bud from Little Shop of Horrors. If anybody remembers that movie, that's a pretty long time ago. I think that's what it was called. Kind of glad I waited till the end, or whatever this stage is, for the black. I bet I have a dark blue too. This might even, I thought it might be the dark blue. Well, I guess I don't have as dark a blue as I was hoping for. I bet there's other colors. I mean, like a wider selection somewhere. I'll include the name of the watercolor crayons underneath the video. I haven't done anything that just was like coloring for a long, long time. That just makes me want more of that beautiful green. It's basically beautiful rainbow hues. I hope my head hasn't been in the way the whole time. Let's try the black. Let's hope I can do something that's worth sharing after 20 minutes. Now the black goes a little bit gray. I'll have to remember that for next time. Could be a symptom of too much water squeezed down into the brush. There we go. I would normally be tempted to put little puddles of water down. To see if I could. That's more of that orange. Or more, that's way more of that red, I guess. But the orange is what I want. The canvas is surviving nicely. I'm happy I'm not making more mud. A little mud goes a long way. I think this is ripe for embellishment, you know, like dots. But I'm not sure that I really want to go there yet. I do like seeing how things blend. All right, I don't know what to think about that. And I guess I should take a picture of it before I decide that it's worth spoiling. So I'll just do that. There's no shimmer, so I don't need my flashlight right now. Let's see if I can get anything out of... No, it's not looking... Oh, I got something. I got 3 minutes. I got some very thin black lines, which is... I think I got this at Hobby Lobby. I'd like it if it would continue to work. But it doesn't seem like it wants to. And I don't have a backup handy. What do I have? I have black. And skewer. There's always a skewer. This one does not have a point on it. I need a point. I'm going to run out of time. Well, I've got a bunch of bad skewers, and maybe I can find something in my tools over here. That'll work. It's different. I'm afraid now if I go back in with more water, I'll disturb the black. Black is a mixture of Amsterdam black and Atelier. But I don't think it matters much what it is. So I should tell you guys I love you. And I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I really had no idea what I was doing. I just wanted to play with my crayons. But I like making videos. Here's my head. Alright, I've got 1 minute left. There's probably going to be some more to this. I'll tell you guys to look for my fluid acrylics or fluid art videos by going to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. I kind of like the black. I don't mind it at all. I might even call it done, or pretty close to done. So thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for the thumbs up. I really appreciate the love you guys give me. Your comments are boost my morale. I was a little worried today my channel was pretty much going down the tubes, but it is what it is. I've been here for over 5 years. I have over 3,000 videos. Alright, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Out.